Good morning students. In this video I will explain the last portion of the chapter A Letter to God. The following Sunday Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. As usual, Lencho daily used to come to the post office to ask for any letter, but the following Sunday the farmer came a bit earlier to ask if there was any letter for him. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him, while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment means here satisfaction, of a man who has performed a good deed means work, looked on from his office. The postman, he gave the letter to the farmer, while the postmaster, who was sitting in his office, he was feeling a great satisfaction because he had collected the money and he gave that money to the farmer, and he did not let break the faith of farmer in God. Lencho showed not slightest means a bit surprise on seeing the money. Such was his confidence. If there would have been any other person in the place of Lencho, he would have been surprised. How can he get money from God? But this farmer had a firm faith in God, so he was not at all surprised to get money from God. Such was his faith in God. But he became angry when he counted the money. God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied means refused, Lencho what he had requested. But when he opened the envelope, counted the money, and he found only approx 70 pieces from the envelope, he was surprised. He got angry. He thought that God could not made a mistake, nor he could refuse him to give whatever he had demanded. Immediately Lencho went up to the window to ask for paper and ink. Then soon he went to the window of the post office and he took paper and ink, because he had decided in his mind to write another letter to God. On the public writing table he started to write with much wrinkling means shrinking of his brow, caused by effort he had to make to express his ideas. As you have seen, when someone started writing any letter, started thinking over any topic, he shrunk his forehead. Some wrinkles started appearing on his forehead. So the farmer was thinking about the matter, whatever he was going to write in the letter. So there were some wrinkles on his forehead. When he finished, he went to the window to buy a stamp, which he licked means touched with the tongue, and then affixed means fixed it to the envelope with a blow of his fist means muthi. And after writing the letter, he went to the window of the post office. He bought a stamp from the post office. He touched that stamp with his tongue and made it moistured. Then he fixed that stamp over the envelope, and after that he put some blow over the envelope so that stamp may be fixed properly. The moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. When the farmer dropped that letter into the mailbox, the postmaster himself went to the mailbox and he opened it and he took out the letter from the mailbox. And when he started reading the letter, in the letter it was written, it said, God, of the money that I asked for, only 70 pieces reached me. Send me the rest since I need it very much. But don't send it to me through the mail, because the post office employees are bunch of crooks. Lencho. Bunch means here group. Crooks means here dishonest people or thieves. When the postmaster opened the mailbox, he took out the letter. In that letter it was written, "Oh God, send me the remaining money, but this time don't send the remaining money through the post office, because post office employees are dishonest people. They are thieves. They had stolen his 30 pieces. So in this letter he made a request to God, don't send the remaining money through the post. This time send the remaining money by any other means.